Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio in Capcut PC step by step. Changing the aspect ratio helps you create videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and more. So let's get started. First, open Capcut on your computer. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Then add your video to the timeline. Next, click the ratio on player place. Choose the aspect ratio you want. For example, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, 1:1 for Instagram posts, or 4:5 for Instagram feed. After selecting the aspect ratio, adjust your video if needed by dragging or resizing it to fit the frame. Your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed the aspect ratio in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Capcut tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.